Now see this question, this is the system, M1, M2 and M3, three masses are here connected by the strings. Tension in the strings are given T1, T2 and T3. Values of the masses are 5 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg. Now, the whole system is going upward with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. It means upward acceleration A is given to you this much. Now, you have to find the value of T1, T2 and T3. So, take from your first one. If you are taking this block, first block, in the first block, tension is acting upside T1, M1, M2, M3, all these three weights are acting downside. So, downside is vertically downward, M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G outside, downward. This whole system is going with acceleration A upward. So, we can write the equation here, T1 minus M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into A. Put the value of M1, M2, M3 here and A, then you will be getting T1 is equal to 180 Newton. So, in this case T1 is equal to this much. Similarly, we can get T2, T2 minus M2 plus M3 into G is equal to M2 plus M3 into A. Again put all the values, you will be getting here, in this case T2 is equal to, when you put all the values you will be getting T2 is equal to 59 Newton. This thing is here. If you are taking T3, you can write T3 minus M3G is equal to M3 into A, that you will be getting by putting M3, G and A, you will be getting T3 is equal to, that is coming 35.4 Newton.